Hi, now I am going to show you how we can build a server in our EC2. So first we're gonna do is open our EC2 and we have Amazon EC2 instance there. As you can see, it's my EC2 dashboard and okay, where is my instance? Okay, this is my instance. It's running, so I'm going to access it. So once I'm going to launch this instance. Mm, okay, that's open an instance, so I'm going to connect this instance and let's see. Okay, my instance is on Ubuntu. You can create an instance and using Ubuntu, and they give 1 year free. So I am using free version. First, we're gonna give access our root. So this is access our root, and let me upscale bit. So this is my IP and this is my public IP. I can access this public IP. Okay, let's see. Okay, my apps is running. So I am going to show you how my apps is work. In root folder, you can see there is my apps and this is my apps. So I'm going to access it and this is gonna be my apps has two side front-end and backend. So uh, in EC2, I have only hosted in my backend. So this is my effort. Um, git service git remote org. So I have remote added, so I can, let's say I have a GitHub. Let's say I have a GitHub. So I have GitHub repo and I want to access it. So let's say I want to access it and I will just like copy this and to reminder the um, GitHub repo should be public. If you want to access public private account, you need to add SSS or use password. So to be safe, we need to file, we need to public Git account, we need to public Git folder. Okay, so Git clone, and then you can paste your thing, something like that. And as you hit enter, it will be copy the everything. So now let's look at what we have. We have front-end and backend. Let's say we can access backend. As we hosted our backend, so you will access our backend. Okay. So in backend folder we have, okay, any is a editor which I use a lot of time. So let's access my backend. Um, I think it's called something like let me look at my VS Code. Oh, okay, okay. It's called package.json. So package.json. So as you can see, I have my there is my step, and if I now run npm step, and it will be run automatically. And there is another thing I want to I want to make it clear that we need to run it on port 8080. Port 8080. So let's access my NB and so there is no NB, but I think there should be a NB. Okay, let me see my phone, my main actual code structure. So there should be a env file, which okay. So why is can access this env file? Okay, if you declare your port somewhere else, you need to start with port 80. So what we're gonna do if we use other than port 80, it will not post it automatically. You need to use port forwarding, so which can be done in there. Let's reset our zoom, and here you have networking tab, and you can use this to use for your post forwarding task if you use other than 80. So there you will be like run npm start, and it will be automatically do the task, and it will be like running a machine somewhere in, and you can access this in here using this public IP. Another thing I need to reminder that it is not HTTPS. So if you want to add, you can if you want to make HTTP, if you want to call it on HTTPS site, so you cannot do that. You need to add SSL certificate before you can call it. I got few problem because of it. So that's all my video.